All right, everyone. So in class, I showed you how to watercolor your 7 sections of your project. When you are working on the next step, the first thing you want to do is take your Sharpie. Now, again, yours won't have this on here yet. Yours should just be blank in the middle. You're saving a spot for your letter. So we'll deal with the copper next in-person class. So when you're at home, you want to take your Sharpie marker and you want to go over really wide the lines that you created your 7 sections. So you should have 7 sections, and you're going to take your Sharpie and make those sections or make those lines really nice and wide. Now, once you have done that, you've got each of these outlined really dark. Okay. Now we're going to look at just one of the sections in our project. Okay. So if we're looking at just one section now, each of your sections needs to be divided into 5 separate areas, okay? So you'll take a pencil and you'll kind of work out 5 separate divisions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it can be real rough like that, and that's totally fine. And then you're going to take your Sharpie and go over these lines. Okay, and as you can see, some of these areas that I've already done, these divisions, especially this one's kind of done. These divisions will become thicker as well, just not as thick as your major divisions. Let's call these our major division lines, and these are our minor division lines. So I'm going to come back over here, and I'm going to work to make these minor division lines a little bit wider. Now, neatness is the key here, so you'll want to take your time and make these really nice and neat, because craftsmanship counts on this project as it does with all of your projects. Okay, so now you can see this one minor division line is a little bit thicker. You'll do that for all of the minor division lines inside each of the major divisions. Okay, I'll do one more and then I'll move on to the next part. All right, so now I've got these 2 areas that are completely done. I need to still do this line, and I will do that one. But the next thing I want to do is, now in each of these 5 sections, you need to come up with a different Zentangle. And so this is why you did the Zentangle practice assignment in Canvas. You were supposed to come up with 15 practice Zentangles. So if you haven't done that yet, go back and do that assignment first before you attempt this. So you'll strive to have 5 different Zentangles in each of your major divisions. So if we take a look at this major division down in here, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different Zentangles. Let's take a look at this yellow section. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We've got this orange section right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I actually put a 6th one in this as well. And that's okay. You have to have at least 5. In this section, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And of course, I haven't finished down in here yet. Okay. So you're going to divide it up into 5, pick a different Zentangle for each section, and then work through that. The goal is then to move to your next section and go back with the pencil and divide this up into 5 sections, and then you'll have 5 different Zentangles in here. And then you'll divide your last stone up into 5 sections and have 5 different Zentangles in here. So by the time you're done with your large project, you'll have 7 major sections. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And inside each section, you'll have 5 areas of Zentangles. So 5 times 7 means you'll have 35 different Zentangles. Now, do they have to be completely different? Not exactly. And if you look here and here, you'll see that I've repeated one, okay? And I thought maybe I didn't repeat another one, but you can repeat some if you wish. I just don't want you to repeat the same 5 in each major section. You need to have a diverse assortment of Zentangles. If you have any questions, please make sure to message me in Canvas. Have fun.